Hi, I'm Dylan Kennedy, a senior recruiter with AcctPositions. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our finance and accounting team. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have an incredible opportunity for Payroll Manager. Responsibilities you can expect in this role are performing and posting all union and non-union payrolls, reconciling payroll to ensure earnings coincide with payroll registers, and completing internal audits to ensure the accuracy of payroll information. If you have an associate degree, 5 or more years of payroll experience, prior experience processing union and non-union payrolls, proficiency with Excel and other Microsoft Office software, and have experience with Sage 300 series Timberline software, you could be a perfect fit for this role.
We're aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opening won't last long. Apply soon and looking forward to meeting you.